Today we're doing some arts drawing. And subscribe what did you want to draw. I'm the legend of to draw. Because I'm just the king. I lost because my color is so nice. Look. And let's to bring him. Let's draw him. 3, 2. So nice number. Let's go. Getting lost. Subscribe what did you want to do. Like and subscribe if you and block and you and he have eyes and eyes and he have a mouth. Turn into Barbie. Let's go to draw them. Nice. Wait 10 minutes, guys. Okay. Wait, okay. Oops. Oh, bro. Wait, guys, wait. Wait, guys, okay? Wait. Okay. I'm here. Okay, guys. So nice. So some fun. Sorry, guys. So nice, bro. I'm the legend of the draw. So nice. It's gonna be nice, bro. Let's get that.
Dali, oh, tingnan mo. Here, come on, come here. Let's go play. Wow. Let's go play ball.
He's scoring the first player to do so. Really has been doing everything tonight, Johnny Osmond. 10 points, 2 assists, 3 rebounds.
Kapatid mo, Idol Rafi Tulfo, dito lang sa RPTV para sa Pinoy. Tutukan ng masigasig na tambalan sa umaga. Excited ka ba kayo? Tatanong na po kami,
So nice, bro.
Ted Pailo at DJ Chacha dito sa RPTV para sa Pinoy.
So nice, guys. Look. Go. Subscribe and like. And what did you want? Destroy it. Nice, guys. Bye. Thank you to my art style. Bye.